Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Kids Me, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this cute, stylish, protective style. Now, this is me just taking my bonnet off. I got my hair sit pressed maybe like a week or so ago, so my hair is already pressed out, but I am 100% natural. These are going to be the products that I am going to be using to go ahead and lay my hair down. I definitely think it was a little easier for me to go ahead and lay my hair down because my hair is already pressed out. However, with my hair in the naturally curly state, I have used these same products to actually help slick them down along with gel. Now, because my hair is so thick, I am going to go ahead and split my hair up into 3 sections. I was going for a middle part, so it kind of worked out in my favor anyway. So you're going to see me just go ahead and slick my hair down, and then I'll come back with the voiceover once we get towards the actual extended braid look. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using for this style. This is the Outre Expressions 3X Ultra Braiding Hair. The pack does come exactly like this with 3 in 1. And I used 2 of these bundles to go ahead and do my ponytail. Now, with the way that I put my ponytail on, I saw someone else put it on like this. And really, I don't even know why. I just decided, I saw a stylist on Instagram put the hair in like this. I would not suggest you do it like this if you're doing it on yourself, because as you can see, it ended up being a tangled mess right here. So I would suggest you just get a hair tie and just tie the hair tie on the hair and then put it on that way. But I'm going to go ahead and split the hair into 3 sections, and I'm just going to go ahead and braid the hair down. And at the end, you're going to see me go ahead and put some perm rods on the ends of the hair to curl it up. However, I did go in and add some curly hair towards the end of the style. As you can see, I left a small piece of the actual hair that I'm going to wrap around the top portion of the ponytail just to hide the beginning part of the braid. And also, because my ends are so blunt cut, I did have some issues with my ends peeking out of the actual braid, but I just went ahead and just spritzed that down, and I did not have that issue after that. And here I am all dolled up. I went ahead and I put some mousse on the braid from the top all the way down to the ends, and I went ahead and wrapped it with these wrap strips. After that, I did have a little bit of flyaways, but to me, I felt like it made it look more natural that way, so I didn't really mess with them too much. And then as you can see, the ends of my hair is curly. I did use the Freetress Deep Wave hair. I just took a few pieces of the hair and I went ahead and crocheted in at the bottom of my braid. Now, my head wrap did kind of mess up my edges a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and fix that. And as you can see, this is the finished look. You can fluff your braid out a little bit if you want to. It's completely up to you, y'all. This is a affordable and easy hairstyle that I know that you can do in the comfort of your own home. So I'm gonna leave information for the hair that I use down in the description box below. Y'all should definitely try this, and if you do, let me know how you like it. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.